Hello guys, I hope you are fine and you all have a good mood. Today I am going to describe another match of Free Fire and let's start it. Guys, first I took mobile and I opened my Free Fire game and I log in with my ID and password, and then I went to the lobby and saw my all friends were online, and then especially my best friend is online who is living near to me and he is living in my neighborhood, and so I was so happy. Then I started to make a I started to make a beer match with Squid, but I thought that my score is so low. Then I made a beer rank with single player and only me, and then I went to the beer rank and I killed 4 men. So I got booyah, and then suddenly I went to the owner score and saw my owner score is 98. I was so happy and so delighted that I have got too much sonars for now I can play anything in my Free Fire game. So after that I uh, invited my friend to the team request, and then I went to my lobby and saw I started a beer ranked with Squid, and I was having a good team, and then I started countdown was it was about 47, and our net was so slow, so it was high ping detected, so it was about 1 minute 50 seconds. So waiting so I was waiting so impatiently, and how well when it will start. Then when suddenly it starting matches and we were in the infinity train, and we were going to the train and train was falling us. Then suddenly we were having countdown 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go, and then we went to the train was going and going. Then the train was near to the factory, and then my friends were the jump master, so I said to him that land here, and then he landed on the factory floor, and in that floor there was no guns, so I made shade on there, and then I jumped and on the ground, and my HP was so low after jumping, after falling to the ground, and then I took a medkit, a free medkit from the machine, and then I pulled my HP, and then I was so happy that I am pulled my HP. Then I ran towards the gun and took only one gun, and then went to the shade because shade time was about to run off. Then I was waiting and waiting for the another shade. It will come, and then I will go to the guns, and then the suddenly shade came, and then I sanded the shade on the ground, and then I took a lot of medkits and a lot of guns from there, and I didn't took any kind of gun like sniper from which we can open the scope and then we can make the headshots, but I was still having a lot of guns, and I was so happy. And then first I saw a man, he is running, and then I started to shoot him, but he was so fast. Then he rounded him into the glue wall. Then I threw a bomb to its glue wall, and then its HP was so low. Then I took my plasma, and I do not break the glue wall with other guns because they don't have the shooting fields. And after that I took this plasma and opened my scope and started to shoot him, and it was about 200%, so it didn't work, it stopped the working. Then I took my sniper and made a headshot to that man and killed that man. Then I made sure a shade to him, and then I went to the shade and took everything from him, and then I thought that it is dead. How I will kill him if I will use the guns? I will waste my gun, so I have to flash move on him. Then I flash moved on him, and then I killed him, and I was so happy. I had the first kill. The zone was coming to me, and I took a taxi, and then I started to run. I started to drive the taxi. In the way, my friend was near to zone. It was so near to the zone, and the zone was chasing him. So I went to my friend and said that I said that the car is slow, sit in that car, the zone is coming. Then he sat in the car and we run the car very fast as light. And then we went to the peak and then we stopped the car and then we got out of the car and we got some guns and then we started to kill. My friend was killing the man and he was also killing the man. So I made a glue wall in front of my friend that my friend didn't have the glue wall. Then I made a glue wall to my friend that I can save my friend. Then I rounded my friend and said that use some medkit, your HP is about 5, you will die. Then he used 4 medkits, small medkits and then he pulled his HP and he was so happy that you helped me. And then that our enemy's team was coming toward us. Then we broke the glue walls and then we attacked on the enemy and then we jumped and killed him. Then I got second kill and my friend was so good and he was having the first kill. So I said to him that you please let me kill. If I will not, I cannot kill, then you can help me. And like how I help you. And then we started to go together and then my friend was dead. Then I went to the machine and then revived him. He was so happy that I have revived him. And then he came to me and anyone was killing me and I was not knowing then who from where he is shooting me and he is having some such kind of sniper gun and I was not knowing where he killing me. And then my friend was coming and he jumped to me and then he told me that here is that man. And then he made a glue wall in front of me and then we together killed that man. And then he became so happy. And now I didn't got that kill, my friend got that kill, but I was still happy that I saved my life. I'm still alive, I'm not dead. If I would dead, what I will do, what I would do, anyone will revive or not me, I don't know. Then suddenly some a big team came to me and I was only one. Then I was killing one, then I killed 2 and then I killed 3, but the 4th one killed me and I was so unhappy. Then I said to my that friend that I revived him to revive me. And then he was about to revive a point and someone was very unkind and he killed my friend. And I was so unhappy that my friend is also killed and who will revive me? Anyone will not revive me because I didn't revive anyone. But I was so lucky. I said to my friend and I saw that he is in the revival point and another point is revival point. It is already at the revival point to revive me. Then he was asking from that you both are dead. Can you tell me who won the revival point? And then my friend said that I'm not a good player, gave the revival point to my friend Usman. He can play well and he will revive me. Then I took the revival point and then I revived myself and then I went to the lobby and then I went to the machine and revived my friend. My friend was so happy that you completed your promise. And after that we were 4 and our all teammates were alive, but I was so angry on the first one, number 2, that he has gone, he is not in the team and he is dead also. And then I was so happy that we are still alive, we 3 are alive, we can do it. Then at the end there were only 5 alive and it was final fight and zone has erupted near to us. And then we all got together in a glue wall and we were rounded in the glue wall and we were filling our HP. Suddenly that 2 men came toward and started to shoot us and then I was hiding in the glue wall. Then they both killed the one and then they said that then they were dead and then I went to them to help them, but anyone was shooting me. Then I made glue wall and then helped both and then said to them that you have to use the medkit, but they said that we don't have the medkits. Then I put a lot of glue walls in that way, in that place, and then they were having the HP from that glue wall. I was having the 90 skill, so 90 skill character skill is that it increased our HP by the glue wall. So I made a lot of glue walls. I was having 11 glue walls, and I wasted the all glue walls there to save my friend that we will go to the booyah. And what I will do after what I will do glue walls with the glue walls after the booyah, and I will win. And I am very hopeful that we will win. And what I will do after going to booyah, I have to waste all glue walls here to save my friends and me. And then I saved my friend and me, and they were so happy that you wasted all your glue walls to us. And then they all went to that man, and then we killed him, and we were so happy that we have got booyah. And then we got booyah, and then I have got the plus 50 rank, but I was still on the platinum. And I'm hopeful that if I will play more and I will get a plus 20 or plus 30, and I will go to diamond V, I will become so happy. And that I was on the second position. The first position was holding the number 2, and who was having 12 kills, and I was on the number 3. I was having the 11 kills, and the other were having the 5 and 4, 3 like this. And then that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe my channel, and that's it. Thank you for watching.